Looking to migrate from Webflow to Shopify but worry about data loss, downtime, or platform incompatibility? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to migrate from Webflow to Shopify hassle-free with LitExtension's all-in-one migration service. When migrating from Webflow to Shopify manually, you can only transfer basic data through CSV files, such as CMS data and Ecommerce data, including products, customers, and orders. And even with these simple entities, you still need to clean up the data, rearrange columns, and reformat everything to match Shopify's import requirements. This process is very time-consuming and highly prone to errors. What's more, importing advanced entities like taxes, coupons, or custom data can be extremely difficult without expert assistance. If not handled properly, this process can lead to data loss or incorrect data mapping. But with LitExtension's all-in-one migration service, you won't have to worry about any of that. First of all, you can rely on our knowledge about both Webflow and Shopify since LitExtension already has over 15 years of experience. Even better, there will be a personal assistant to manage the migration from start to end. Plus, all additional options are included at no extra cost. And once your migration is complete, we offer up to 60 days of free technical support to resolve issues, if any. Now, let's take a look at how LitExtension handles this process for you. First, you'll start with a one-on-one consultation with our migration experts. We'll discuss your requirements, review your store on Webflow, and confirm the exact needs for a successful migration to Shopify. Next, your dedicated personal assistant will set up your target store on Shopify and customize the data mapping system to prepare a proper environment for the migration. Once everything is ready, we'll run a demo migration to ensure the data transfers correctly. Our team will validate the results, and you'll have the chance to review the demo to make sure everything looks right. After you're satisfied with the demo, we move on to the full migration from Webflow to Shopify. As mentioned, additional migration options are included at no extra cost. Once the full data migration completes, we will conduct several rounds of testing to ensure that all data has been accurately and completely migrated according to your requirements. After testing, we'll ask for your final confirmation of the migration results. Finally, we provide post-migration support. This includes unlimited recent data migration, 2 free re-migrations, unlimited free smart updates, all with specific conditions applied, and up to 60 days of technical support. Enjoy all the exclusive benefits when migrating from Webflow to Shopify with LitExtension, including accurate and secure data transfers from Webflow to Shopify. Clear migration process is offered before getting to the real work. Inclusive additional migration options at no extra cost. Keep selling while migrating because we ensure 100% store uptime. Personalized migration experience to meet all your requirements. And post-migration support to give you complete peace of mind. So go for LitExtension, your trusted expert in e-commerce migration.